Hi, I'm David Gowing and I'm sitting in Cricklade North Meadow, a national nature reserve which is designed to conserve the floodplain meadow vegetation. My research looks at the diversity of the meadow, and this is a particularly good example because so many species coexist. So here we have the wonderful snake's head fritillary, and alongside it the cuckoo flower, and underneath up to 30 different species growing cheek by jowl. And to understand how all these species coexist, we're looking at the soil moisture, how it varies from year to year, and whether that can explain this incredible diversity.
And we collect the plant data in a very detailed way.
Conservationists are eager to protect these communities, which have developed over hundreds of years and which cannot be easily created once lost. The floodplains where they're found are highly regulated in terms of their hydrology due to flood defence, water supply and drainage requirements. Our research seeks to understand how variation in soil wetness controls the composition of the plant communities, so that water can be managed in a way that conserves the diversity and the ecosystem services it supplies. Our research is governed by the weather. Interesting things happen following extreme events, such as the summer floods of 2007 and the prolonged drought of 2011. These events can cause changes to the rare plant communities, such that if correct after management is not implemented, they could be lost. We use the knowledge gained to feed back to site managers, policymakers and landowners all across the country to help ensure water is managed appropriately to protect the important plant communities and the hay they provide. We use our research to help inform policy and provide guidelines for meadow managers about how to deal with such adverse conditions. The key to our research is taking lots of measurements, because there is such variability within these systems, and taking measurements consistently over a long time period captures the remarkable dynamism within the communities. Our fieldwork stretches right across England and Wales, picking up the geographic variation between regions. Unfortunately, only a few remnants of this landscape remain. It was once the dominant land use in British floodplains, but its economic value was lost when artificial fertilisers allowed silage to replace hay as the main winter food for livestock.